Okay, so we're just finishing up this. Actually, it's a Trico electric uh, full berth Benford, London. Well, I mean, this is a pretty old Trico motor, I'll tell you. I mean, Trico's been making windshield wiper motors for a long time, and this is one of the earlier ones. So I just cleaned up the transmission in it, and it's kind of fun to watch this move. So this shaft up here is where the windshield wiper arm goes onto, and it's giving us, not quite 90 degrees of wipe. And all cleaned out, lubricated, oiled, and what have you. It operates pretty good. So let me see. I can't turn it over when it's on because the gears will fall out. But the motor itself had a number of problems. This primary connection here, we had to actually drill through on the inside, put a sleeve, an insulator, a special bolt. It actually has a hex bolt holding it in because it had all burnt through. And its funky little switch here is kind of neat. It just takes these two little copper contacts and bink, puts them on place. We had to build a new one of those. And the armature was okay. The thing had been hot, but not hot enough to cause any major damage to the insulation. Resoldered on all the connections and what have you. So, yeah, we're back to operation here. Just kind of cool. Oh, that's important. Yeah, it came with a spring coupler that kept the spring from overheating, that clamps the two arms down on the commutator there. And rather than trying to reuse the original C-clip for that, we went ahead and just insulated the arms and put a new spring on. It's hard to see in there, but it's much better than the original spring in any case, modern materials. So it works great. That's our story, and we're sticking to it.